everyone, I'm Cyrynne Oliveros from 2BSHN4A. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook one of India's famous dishes, the Tandoori chicken. The ingredients needed for this recipe is chicken, chili powder, yogurt, oil for frying, turmeric powder, garlic powder, salt to taste, butter, and ginger. For the garnish, we're going to need coriander leaves, onion slices, and cucumber slices. Now it's time to marinate the chicken. Before marinating the chicken, it is important that our hands are clean. So as you can see, I made deep cuts or incisions into the chicken in order to help the chicken absorb the masalas or the spices that we are going to combine with it. For the marinade, we are going to combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 2 tablespoons yogurt, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and ginger. Now we'll mix it all together. Now that the chicken has been well combined, we will now let it sit for 30 minutes. Then we'll put some oil. And 1 tablespoon of butter. After 30 minutes, the chicken is now ready for frying. After a couple of minutes, we'll now flip the chicken. Yeah. Ooh. This is what we're looking for, our tandoori chicken. After flipping all the chicken, we'll continue cooking it for 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes of frying, our chicken is now ready for plating. Now we'll put the chicken in a clean plate. Now is the time for the plating or the final presentation. For our garnish, I will put coriander leaves, some onion slices, and some cucumber. we're done. Here is the final presentation of our chicken tandoori. Here is our final product, my version of India's chicken tandoori.